Guys, eto pabalik na kami guys. Nasa ano na kami? Nasa ferry na kami, no. Going to Vancouver, no. Grabe. So, ito, buti on time tayo umalis, alas 4. Tapos ang dating natin doon ay mga 5:30, ganun, no. So, buti na lang din on time naman umalis itong ferry kasi nung nakaraan naalala ko, ewan ko kung napanood niyo yung vlog namin na yun, yung galing kami sa Nanaimo nung time na yun. Sobrang delay yung ferry, no. Kaya ito, buti naman on time naman yung pag-alis, no? Ito, muna tayo, hot chocolate guys. Hot chocolate, tapos mag-mapping tayo at tayo gutom na, grabe. Buti na lang kamo guys, may baon akong lunch kanina. Ito hindi, nako, mapapaano na naman tayo, mapapagastos na naman tayo. Alam mo naman, sobrang mamahal ng rito, mabibili, lalo rito sa ferry ay sobrang mahal. Tignan mo ito, na to, kaya medyo mura-mura pa naman to. $6 tong muffin, tapos itong hot chocolate, both $6 no. Pakita ko sa inyo guys Ito diba?
This is an important safety announcement.
Alis na.
To make your journey today safe and pleasant, please take a moment to listen on how to be safe at sea. There's a lot of safety knowledge behind each BC Ferries crew member, and all members of our crew are certified
mga nagbibilad lang dyan, tama yan. Mga nagbibilad lang sila dyan. Gusto nila yung mga nakabilad lang sila sa init.
and follow direction during the voyage. As a reminder, pets must remain in your vehicle or in the designated pet area on deck 3 or the outer deck pet area on deck 4. To access the pet area on the outer deck, passengers can follow the paw prints from stairwell 1 up to deck 4. Please stay within the yellow lines when on the outer deck. Dogs must be on a 1 meter or 3 foot leash, and cats must be the carrier at all times. Pets are not permitted inside passenger lounges except when accessing the stairwell. Guide and service dogs are permitted in all passenger areas of the vessel. Remember, you are on a moving vessel that can sometimes
Sarap
move
to,
unexpectedly.
Sarap yung nila.
Use handbrake.
Banana chocolate
Walk
muffin.
carefully. Watch for high door sills. Be careful on outer decks that may be wet. And watch out for strong winds that can knock you off balance. Help your fellow passengers stay safe
Samahan natin
by
guys
keeping
na
luggage
hot
on the
chocolate.
aisles and off of seats. Ship movement and vibrations will trigger your vehicle